This application is a powerful video editing tool designed for Android users, allowing them to create and edit videos easily and efficiently. It offers a user-friendly interface that caters to both beginners and experienced editors. Users can trim, cut, and merge video clips, as well as apply various effects and filters to enhance their content. The app supports a wide range of video formats and allows users to add music, text, and transitions to their videos. Additionally, it includes features like adjusting video speed, adding voiceovers, and incorporating images. With its intuitive design and robust functionality, this video editor is perfect for anyone looking to produce high-quality videos directly from their mobile devices. Moreover, it provides options for sharing edited videos directly to social media platforms, making it easy for users to showcase their creativity. The application is regularly updated with new features and improvements, ensuring that users have access to the latest tools and trends in video editing. Furthermore, the app includes a library of royalty-free music and sound effects, enabling users to enhance their videos without worrying about copyright issues. It also allows for high-definition exports, ensuring that the final product maintains its quality.